Hi, this is Anu and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you joined me today for a tutorial that I never ever imagined in my wildest dream I would create today. So today, with everything that's going on in the world and the COVID-19 being our new reality in our everyday life, I thought I would do something a little bit entertaining, a little bit fun, and create for you a decorative addition to a mask that is made out of crochet. Now, and that's super important, the disclaimer that I need to put out there is that it is not a protective mask at all. It is made for fun to put on top of your surgical mask, of course, never alone. And when you put it on top of your surgical mask, make sure that you wash it in the washer at high temperature every day. Every time you use it, at the end of the day, put it in the wash it, and then dry it, and then dry it, lay it flat to dry, wear it again the next day. You can make it in every color of the rainbow. I made it, of course, in turquoise for myself. I made it, and that's also super important, in an acrylic yarn. If you make it with cotton, that would be fine too, but it can kind of begin to get saggy when you wash it. If you make it with wool, it will felt and you will not be able to keep it as clean. You need a material that is sturdy enough that you can wash it at high temperature every day. For this tutorial, I chose the Barocco Comfort DK yarn, which is super versatile. I will put all the information about the yarn, substitutions too, and then where you can find it in the info box down below. Not sponsored by Barocco at all. So today I just wanted to create something just to take everybody's mind out of the seriousness of the situation. And I know a lot of us are stuck home trying to figure out what to do. Now is a good time to pick up your crochet hook and do something with that. Oh my gosh, my cat is going berserk. Yeah, so this is our new reality. So also I'm sure that you have somewhere in your house a skein of yarn. It doesn't take long. I mean, I used probably a fifth of my skein of yarn. Very little yarn necessary to create that. Just again, make sure that it's the right kind of yarn that you can put in the washing machine and that handles high heat. Yeah, how are you guys doing? Please don't hesitate to comment in the comment box down below. Let me know how you're feeling and what is your experience. Are you in quarantine? Today, our president just declared a state of emergency. It is probably preferable for everybody to just keep it low and stay home. We are healthy in my family, but I am just so scared to go out, and who knows, maybe I am carrying the virus, and I do not want to give it to somebody else, especially somebody with a lower immunity system that that would become ill because of me. I would not be able to live with myself knowing that. So I'm trying to stay home as much as I can, and when I go out, I am actually going to wear my mask. I ordered surgical mask probably a month ago when all this began. It just arrived actually yesterday. I know those are really hard to find. I found it on Amazon, and yeah, that's about it. So wash your hands, guys. Now is not the time to be cordial. Do not shake hands, do not hug. Just keep your distance from other people. Try to stay home if you can. And let's see how this thing develops. Stay healthy. Again, reminding you, this is just a decoration. This does not replace the surgical mask. That being said, if you're interested in knowing how to crochet this decorative mask cover, crochet cover, then keep on watching. In the meantime, happy crochet, and I will see you next time for a regular tutorial, right? Bye. So for this tutorial, you will need a 3.25 millimeter crochet hook and a little bit of a Comfort DK yarn of your choice. Alright guys, so take your crochet hook, 3.25 millimeter, and your yarn and make a slip knot. And you're going to proceed by making chains. And you are going to make exactly 47 chains in total. I will meet you once you have your 47 chains. Then you're going to add one, and in the second chain from the hook, you're going to make a single crochet. Make 7 more single crochet, so a single crochet in the next 7 chains. In total, you will have 8 single crochets. Here you go. Once you have 8 single crochets, you're going to make 3 half double crochet. A double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now you're going to make 25 double crochets. So a double crochet in the next 25 chains. And I will meet you once you have 25 double crochets. Here you go, you have 25 double crochets. This is what your work will look like. 8 single crochet, 3 half double crochets, 25 double crochets. And now make 3 half double crochets and end your first row with 8 single crochets. Here is the last one. Then you're going to chain 1 and turn. You are done with your first row. Let's tackle the second row now. So chain 1 and turn, as I said. And then you're going to take only the part of the V-stitch that is closer to you. And you're going to make, taking the front loop only, 8 single crochets again. Once you have 8 single crochets, still in the front loop only, make 3 half double crochets. And then, still in front loop only, you're going to make 25 double crochets. Once you have 25 double crochets, you're going to make 3 half double crochets still in front loop only and end your second row by making 8 single crochets in the front loop only again. And you are done with your second row. Let's tackle the third row. Chain 1, turn your work around. This is what your work will look like at the end of your second row. And let's tackle the third one. Chain 1, turn your work around. And now in the back loop only, you are going to work 8 single crochets. Back loop only. Then you're going to make 3 half double crochets, back loop only, followed by 25 double crochet, still only in the back loop. And I will meet you when you have your 25 double crochets. You're going to end your row, your third row, by making 3 half double crochets in the back loop only. And then you're going to end your row with 8 single crochets in the back loop only. And you're done with your third row. And now you're going to repeat row 2 and 3 until you have 9 rows in total, and I will meet you at the end of your 9th row. Alright, so you're continuing back and forth, making rows the same way we had done, repeating row 2 and 3 until you reach the end of your 9th row. So we will be working now on row 10, which is a front loop row only. So begin regularly with your 8 single crochet, 3 half double crochet, but then you're going to make 12 double crochets, and in that 13th stitch you're going to make 3 double crochets in the same stitch. That is going to be the upper front part of your mask. And then you're going to make, once you have 3 double crochets in that same stitch, you make 12 double crochets, 3 half double crochets, and 8 single crochet to finish this 10th row. And you're going to continue regularly for your 11th and 12th row. So here you are done with your 12th row. This is what your mask will look like. And now we're going to do 1 single crochet border all around your mask, just to give it a little bit of a neat edging. So you're going to pick up single crochet from the side of your mask, about 1 single crochet per row, so about 12 single crochets in total. It's going to make the side of your mask a little neater. And once you have 12 single crochet picked up from the side, we're going to pick up single crochets from the bottom part of your mask as well. 1 single crochet per stitch. And you can see clearly where the stitches are, right there. So you should have 47 stitches there after picking them up, 47 single crochets. And then when you meet the other side, you're going to go up, picking up 12 single crochets from the other side. And then you're going to make one row on top of single crochet as well. And then when you meet the first picked up single crochet from the side, you're going to chain 20. That is going to be the little strap around your ear. 20 chains was for my side of the space between my mask and my ears. You can adjust it. And then you're going to slip stitch at the bottom corner, right there. And then you're going to slip stitch your way to the other side. So make a slip stitch per single crochet, going from one side to the next. So 47 really slip stitch in total. And when you reach the other side, you're going to chain 20 again, and you're going to slip stitch it to the bottom of the side, from there, whoops, to there. And once you do that, you are done. You just need to fasten off. But this is the shape of your mask right now. But here it is. I get to the other side of my mask. So I'm going to make the second strap, 20 chains. And slip stitch it up to the corner on the other side of your mask. Take your scissors and fasten off. Take your tapestry needle and sew in the loose tails at the back of your mask. And just like that, you created a decorative piece for your mask. May I remind you again that this is not instead of a real legit mask, surgeon mask. You should have your throwable mask underneath. This is just a decoration to make it a little more fun. You need to wash it with very hot water every day that you use it at the end of the day. And this is the shape of your mask. I will put all the information about the size of the mask and the gauge in the info down below. This is a weird one, I know, and again, this is just little extra to make something serious, extremely serious, a little more fun. And again, as I said, and I repeat it again, that doesn't come instead of your mask, your regular surgeon mask that you need to purchase at your pharmacy. It is just to make this serious and hard situation a little more fun and put a little creativity in something that is extremely serious. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are all staying healthy. Comment in the comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling, how you're dealing with the situation. And also I wanted to say that I'm so happy we have each other. I'm super proud of my crochet family. We are here to support each other in times of trouble. That is what we are all about. I am planning to come with many more tutorials in the future, just to try to keep our minds away from reality for a little longer. And that is it. So until next time, happy crochet, and I will see you soon. Stay healthy. Mwah. Bye. Luna, what's going on? Oh, it's her feeding time. But I never film at 6 in the evening. That's why. She's hungry. Oh my God, humans. I have to remind them every night to feed me. Where was I? How to